Hi everyone. I just wanted to share a quick note on how to create the circle image from the original square image. So bear with me while we go through this really quick. I'm going to go to the library and I'm going to get a circle. And I'm going to bring the circle over here so that I can just play with it for a few minutes. And we're going to resize this to 5.570. Just like that. All right. Then I'm going to make another circle. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. And I'm going to drag it over here. All right. And then we're going to drag the first one over. And I'm going to use the align tool. So I'm going to use to selection, vertical and horizontal. Okay, and then I'm going to make sure both layers are selected. So over here in your layers palette, you should be seeing both layers selected. Then I'm going to go to path and intersection. Okay, so this is what I have left, which is just perfect. Now I'm going to take this other circle that I created from the library, and I'm going to go to Effects, Shadow Layer, Contour Cut, Inset Shadow, and change the parameters of that shadow to 0.170. Okay? Then click on Return. That gives you your shadow. All right, now I'm going to highlight both the shadow layer and my circle. All right, and I am going to go to Path. Whoops, didn't highlight both of them, sorry. There we go. Now both of them are, shadow layer and circle are both highlighted. I'm going to go back to Path, and I'm going to go to Back minus Front. I now have a ring. All right, I'm going to take that ring, I'm going to put it over the top. I'm going to select both layers here. Then I'm going to do the vertical and the horizontal alignment. Then I'm going to click on Path again and go to Union. And you're done. And you're going to repeat this for each of the layers of your mandala. All right, I've chosen this shamrock one because it's cute when it's all put together, and I really like the look. So that's it, and I hope that you have an excellent experience.